This is the XT Junction. Aims to improve the performance of three-arm intersections. It has been devised to be more effective than a conventional T-junction in reducing delays and increasing junction capacity. First, let's have a look at a typical T-junction to show you the differences. Like most T-junctions, there are two right turns which cross each other's path and are in conflict with each other. To overcome this conflict, each turn needs to have its own phase. With the XT design, the right turns are separated and combined into a single phase. The conflict point is then shifted away from the main junction to a crossover farther down the minor road. It's that simple. Let me show you how to drive through an XT junction. To make a right turn from the minor road, follow the signs and road markings indicating right turning lanes. This will lead you to the opposite side of the road via the crossover. On reaching the main junction, you make your right turn unopposed. Let's go through it again. First, you go through the crossover into the opposite side of the road and then make your right turn at the main junction unopposed. It is as simple as that. Now let's say you want to turn right from the main road toward the minor road. Again, following signs and road markings, you will be guided to make a right turn into the minor arm on the opposite side of the road. You will then continue to the crossover, where you will be switched back to the correct side to continue your journey as normal. To go straight through the XT junction on the main road, or to turn left into or out of the minor arm, you just drive as you normally would at a regular T-junction. Road markings, traffic signs, and other features will seamlessly guide you through the junction. And the geometry of the crossover will be self-explaining, so you will know exactly what to do. This is a traditional T-junction, a common junction design where one road joins another. As you can see, there are facilities for cyclists and pedestrians. However, when junctions get congested, all road users suffer and lead to a long waiting time, and sometimes active travel mode becomes the most impacted. Solving this usually results in building more roads, bridges, and flyovers. These solutions are very costly and create negative environmental impacts. However, this is not the case with the XT design. The XT junction solved this by combining the right turns while processing the conflict at the minor road via a crossover. This creates a huge junction improvement. But how is this going to help cyclists and pedestrians? First, the XT design reduced the number of traffic light phases. Pedestrians and cyclists now only need to wait for 2 phases instead of 3. That means a shorter traffic cycle and less waiting time for all road users. Second, XT design increases the junction capacity by up to 30%, which can be allocated to improve active travel modes. These are simulations for both junctions side by side. On the top is the XT junction. As you can notice, it's not congested compared to the typical T-junction, even though both have the same traffic volume. However, when it comes to performance, there are huge differences. Let me highlight a few things here. The long queue on the main road has been reduced significantly. An overall increase in junction capacity, reduced waiting time for all road users, minimizing environmental impact, and improved safety. The XT design also gives an opportunity to include active travel facilities if the existing junction does not have them, by utilizing the additional capacity brought by the XT design. However, one of the challenges is the user's awareness of the XT junction. Drivers and road users must be familiar with the new junction. So please help us to share the video so more people will know about it. And if you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, I would like to thank Future Transport Vision Group and the Rees Jeffrey Road Fund for funding this project and helping us to form our team.